Hi, my name is Andrew Rafferty, and here's my short video on building a periscope. Turned out to be quite fun. So I was thinking to myself, like, when could I ever use this? And I thought, well, golf course, right? There's always obstacles that are preventing me from seeing where I'm going. Want to be trying to hit my ball, whether it's like hitting it out of the bunker, or maybe there's like a hill in the fairway that you can't see over, or maybe I'm not on the fairway and I'm in a ditch somewhere, just trying to get back on track. So Periscope would allow me to see from a perspective I typically would not. And the hockey team I coach has a charity golf tournament coming up on Monday, so I figured why not test it out there. So first thing, I came to the classroom. Sorry, I'm going to move my camera over here. Came to my classroom, figured out what materials I have and what I can use. So I went down to like the storage area. I found some cardboard. I had a box cutter, my meter stick, masking tape. I printed out the plans that were posted on D2L. And then I found two little mirrors in the physics teacher's classroom. I did let him know I was borrowing his mirrors. He didn't seem to mind. Now, are these the best materials? Probably not, but it's what I had available to me. So yeah, we made it work. So going through the process of making this, I had to convert everything from inches to centimeters. I didn't want my students to see this video someday and then grill me for using the American system instead of the metric system. One of the issues I ran into is that the mirrors that I did find were not the same as like the directions specified. So that had to change a bunch of my measurements. It really wasn't too much of a problem, especially when you're working with cardboard. It's not the most precise material anyway. So like you were able to make up for if you were like a couple millimeters off here or there, it wasn't too big of a deal. Didn't really run into any problems. I remembered I'm a chemistry teacher and we have a window cleaner in the classroom that we use for our household acids and bases lab. So I polished up the mirrors. Because it's going to be for our charity golf tournament, I figured I would paint it blue and silver, kind of similar to the colors of my hat here. So hopefully it matched. Painting was fun. I haven't painted anything in a long time other than like walls to a bedroom. So yeah, painting wasn't that bad. And then thinking, how can I improve this for the future? PVC piping would be awesome, and it'd be awesome for it to be able to like expand or contract depending how high above something you need to see. Definitely would use some better tools if I was using something like PVC piping. And then I was wondering if we could like play around with the mirrors a little bit to give yourself more than just like the view that you would typically see. But if we have an arrangement of mirrors up at the top where it kind of spreads out, kind of mimic the 360 cameras you see on social media quite often these days. So yeah, this is my periscope. Worked out just fine. Thank you.